Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford vehicle. It could be practically almost any Ford model, guys, such as Focus, Fiesta, Fusion, Escape, Edge, Explorer, F150. Doesn't matter what it is, guys. If you put new AC compressor, you maybe even tested the AC pressure switch, okay, and you added Freon, and still the AC, the air conditioner, does not work. Stay with us, we'll explain a simple fix that may take you only just a few seconds to do that and fix your system, because those systems nowadays are complicated, especially, guys, due to the fact that the vehicles need to be more efficient to meet emission standards. So actually the AC compressors may have a clutch and a solenoid pressure switch. They may be used on hybrid vehicles where they're electric. So in some cases, guys, you need to do something, okay, in order to make sure that the new compressor is working. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. If you need to buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out, guys, the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save quite a bit of money. So we have that Ford that we'll be demonstrating on here. It's a C-Max, but recently we had a problem on a Ford, another Ford, guys, and we put a new AC compressor and it didn't work. Then we had to do something to make it work. We had a customer that came to us and asked us, okay, I put new compressor, everything's good, I tested the AC pressure switch, it works, it reads the correct value, I added Freon, fuses, relays, everything checks out fine, it still doesn't work. What can cause that? Let us show you what you need to do. You need to go inside, guys, okay. You need to find your OBD port, which is this port right here. That's where you connect the OBD scanner. It could be under the dash somewhere, or it could be under a cover that says OBD. Open it, and that's the scanner that we'll be using, guys. It's very inexpensive, but that turns your phone into a practically dealer level equipment, or almost close to dealer level equipment, that lets you scan every computer system in your car. And some Fords may have up to 40 computer systems. This one probably has at least 30 to 35. We'll see if somebody will count them once we go through them. You can read the lead codes, see live data, and you can actually, guys, do programming, actuation tests, multiple things that can that computer pay itself off in one-time use practically, guys. So turn the ignition switch on. We'll go to all system diagnostics. Here we'll click VIN decoding. It will take us just a couple seconds to read the VIN number. It should tell us that we have a Ford C-Max 2013 model. You will see it's all automatic, so you don't even need to pick your own vehicle. Perfect. Yeah. It may ask you to turn on or off the ignition switch. Ours is already on. It asks us to make sure that it's on. We select yes. Now it's communicating with all the computing systems. Okay, that will take just a little bit of time due to the fact that you have quite a few, guys, and I'll show you how many. So we'll go to system selection. Here, those are all the computers. Probably 35 computers, 40, I don't know. If anybody wants to count them, you're welcome to. We will go, guys, to air conditioning control module. You have a special system for the AC. Here, guys, what you need to do, you can read the data stream, which is super convenient because you can check things, okay, such as we'll select all of them. If the AC, okay, the temperatures, okay, compressor internal power device temperature, you can see. You can check if it's getting voltage. You can check, guys, okay, you can check if it's turning on and off, all that stuff. But what you can do now, you can go back, and I'll recommend, if you put a new compressor or had problems with the AC system, let me show you. You can actually even check here, guys, the AC pressure switch, which in some cases it could be under the, okay, that's only for the compressor. The pressure switch will be actually under the powertrain control module. Okay, so let me show you 1 second. You will need to check your AC pressure switch, because that's another thing, guys, okay, that needs to be checked. because that's could be unplugged or not reading, and that can cause the AC not to work, because without the AC pressure switch your system will not work, and you can do to data stream. Let's see if we have somewhere here, okay, the AC pressure switch. It's quite a few values that it's reading now, so let's give it just a little bit of time. Watch. Okay, right here, the pressure for the AC system, ours is 73, so it's reading, guys. Now, all we have to do, okay, go to, I'll recommend, okay, to go to the AC system again, and when you go to the AC system, you need to go ahead and read, guys, the fault codes, and you often will have a code. Ours says there is no DTC, that's no trouble codes, and the status is okay. If you have a trouble code, what you need to do, go ahead, clear the fault memory, okay, and when you clear it, okay, that should fix your problem. Also, if it's still not working, go ahead, go back, do a system scan, and delete all the codes in your vehicle, guys. It could be multiple codes set in different computers, so that way we will reset everything and it should work. If it doesn't, you need to diagnose it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.